Do you need to know how to take screenshots in After Effects? Let me show you how. Quickly though, if this helps, please do like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Let's go. First, make sure your composition is ready and that the frame you want to capture is visible in the composition panel. Use the playhead in the timeline to navigate to the exact frame you want to screenshot. Once you're on the right frame, go to the top menu bar and click Composition, Save Frame As, File. This will send the current frame to the render queue. Next, open the render queue panel at the bottom of the interface. Here you'll see your frame listed as a render item. Click the text next to Output module, it usually says lossless, to adjust the format. For a still image, choose a format like PNG or JPEG. Once you've selected the format, click OK. Now, set the destination for your file. Click the text next to the output to and choose where you want the file to be saved. Give it a name if you like and then click Save. Finally, click the render button in your render queue and After Effects will export the still frame as an image to your location. And that's it. You've now successfully captured a screenshot in After Effects. I hope this tutorial helped.